Police spot a car with a suspicious driver making tense turns, but when they pull him over, his desperate refusal to step out proves he is terrified of what they might find.
106, copy, stop. Driver, pull on the side street. No, for some reason my radio wasn't working. Cool, man. So my name's Officer Apples with the United Times Police Bar. I stopped you for improper lane use, all right? Okay. Relax. Don't reach in your pockets.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get my stuff for you guys.
You're fine. You're fine. So if you get your license, insurance, and registration on you, that'd be great.
Yes.
I stopped you because when you make your turns, you got to take the closest lane to travel. Left turn takes the closest left lane. Right turn makes the closest right lane. Does that kind of make sense?
Right here. This is the moment officers start shifting from a routine stop to heightened suspicion. Nervousness alone isn't a crime, but excessive shaking, combined with erratic driving, can absolutely raise red flags. Officers are trained to read behavior, not just actions. But here's the real question: are they reading genuine fear of authority or fear of being caught? And for you watching, if you were in this situation, would your nerves make things worse, even if you had nothing to hide?
Yes.
All right, why are you shaking so much?
I'm just nervous.
Why?
I don't know. And then I'm getting pulled over. I see you guys behind me. I'm like, okay, I already know they're going to pull me over.
Why?
I can see you. I mean, I know. I'm like, okay.
All right, you got insurance and registration on you?
Yeah, I'm just looking for my insurance here. Hold on.
All right.
That's why I was like, okay, let me do this. I don't like being pulled over, nor does anybody. I just got out of work after being there for 12 hours.
All right, why don't you look for it? I'll be right back with you, okay? All right. He provide you with insurance?
I will call my attorney. I got pulled over.
If you don't get out, I'm going to place you under arrest.
This was just, I literally just got pulled over for a traffic violation. Why am I getting out of the vehicle?
Calm down.
No.
Listen to me.
I'm not consenting.
Listen to me.
I'm not consenting to anything.
You were reaching around the whole lot.
Let me show you something.
I went for
Let me show you something.
Get my license.
Can I show you something? Can I show you something so I'm not BSing you? Okay?
I went to here to get my stuff. Sure.
Listen to me. Pennsylvania versus Mims. Have you ever heard of that case law?
Sir.
Andrew, listen to me. Have you heard that case law?
I'm not getting
I got an idea. I didn't get insurance or registration.
I got pulled over for a traffic violation.
This is a critical legal turning point. The officer references Pennsylvania versus Mims, a landmark U.S. Supreme Court case that allows police to order a driver out of the vehicle during a lawful traffic stop for officer safety reasons. Whether the driver agrees or not, compliance is legally required. And this is where things begin to escalate fast. The driver insists on his rights, but here's the reality. Misunderstanding the law in real time can turn a minor violation into a major charge. So ask yourself, should people be expected to know case law in the heat of the moment?
Okay, the Pennsylvania versus Mims, it's case law.
I don't care.
If you're ordered to step out of the vehicle by a police officer, you're required to do so. You want to call your attorney?
Yes.
Okay.
I do not have to consent to anything. I did nothing wrong besides pull and turn. That is it. So please tell me why I'm this deep with 5 people. With 2 detectives and
Right now, you're disobeying a law.
No, I'm not. I'm asking why I have all these people when I just got a simple traffic violation. That is nothing. Why is everything here?
You were being stopped for a violation, right?
Yes.
Here, I'm just going to explain you from our eyes, okay?
No.
Hold on. You were stopped. You were doing a lot of movement, which is not typical of someone that is stopped. Okay, so we have a concern that there might be a weapon or something. That is why you're being asked to come outside the vehicle.
And I do not have to go outside the vehicle. This is a traffic violation.
Hey,
traffic violation.
You're right.
No.
So you were stopped for a traffic violation.
Yes.
Have you located the registration insurance per request?
My registration, my license is right here.
Can you at least take the keys out of the ignition for us?
There's no keys.
Okay, can you at least turn the vehicle off for us?
4151.
This is an officer safety thing, all right?
I did nothing wrong besides a traffic violation. This is a pitch and pull. I am not going to do it. I did nothing wrong. Why do you have all these detectives?
Our officers work alone.
Can I just go home, please?
No. The more that you cooperate.
Now we're seeing the classic escalation loop. The more the driver resists, the more suspicious the situation becomes in the eyes of law enforcement. From the officer's perspective, refusal equals risk. From the driver's perspective, he believes he's standing his ground. But legally, this is where things start stacking up. Non-compliance can quickly turn into obstruction. And here's the tension. Is he protecting his rights? Or digging himself into a deeper legal hole?
cooperate with us, the smoother this will be.
No,
okay?
this is not.
If you're refusing to get out of the car, you're refusing to give us the proper identification, you're refusing to give us the insurance, that raises our suspicion even more.
I have insurance. I'm looking for it right here. That's exactly what I want.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. This does. Hey. Let me stand on the side. You're making this so much worse.
Did I get my violation? That's what I was here for. That is all I'm trying to freaking do. You know, find my insurance paperwork. And I'm having a hard time because you guys are literally, can I have a moment to myself?
We're right here. We don't feel safe with you. We don't feel safe walking away considering you were reaching. We don't know what's inside the vehicle. We saw you, man.
Yeah, I was reaching to get my paperwork.
Okay, but we don't know that. You could have been doing that. I'm not saying you're a liar, but you could have been. You were reaching under the seat. It looked like. How do we not know there's any weapons in the car?
Here, you can look at your camera.
I know, and a lot of people keep weapons in there, man.
I have. Look.
I believe
There's
you.
no weapons
I
in
believe
this
you
car.
now because I could see, but prior to us pulling you over.
There's nothing in here. Okay, my license. I have a valid license. You know this. Everything keeps coming out of my pockets at work. I have one. I have insurance.
You said you're on probation, right?
I am.
Okay, now listen to me. Don't interrupt me. We could do this the easy way, which is you step. Okay, thank you. Now listen to me. Stop.
I got it.
I got pulled over for a traffic violation. I want my
I'm going to
traffic
explain this to you. I'm going to explain this to you, okay?
There's nothing.
Let me explain this
I
to
do
you.
not have to consent to any of
Okay,
this.
if you step out of the vehicle and you let us do our thing,
No, I'm not consenting to a search. of
okay,
my
then we're going to
vehicle.
arrest you. It's going to violate your probation. You want to go down that road?
I don't.
Okay,
I
then
don't know why I can't
step
go
out of the
home,
vehicle.
Sir. I do nothing.
Dude, I'm going to give you one more chance. Listen to me. One more chance.
Dude,
One more.
And just like that, it crosses the line. What began as a traffic violation has now escalated into an arrest. This moment is crucial because it shows how quickly situations can spiral when commands aren't followed. The driver insists he did nothing wrong, but legally, refusal to comply with lawful orders is enough to justify arrest. Now think about it. Could this entire situation have ended differently if he had simply stepped out of the vehicle?
Once I do this, you're going to do what you're going to do. It's fine. No.
Okay, so you.
Andrew, you're under arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
I do not consent to any of this. No, I do not have.
You're under arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
For what? I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Why are you doing this? I have a no. This is a repaired shoulder. I'm not resisting. I'm not going to do my shoulder. It's a repaired shoulder. Come on. It hurts. I am, but you're hurting it.
I'm not even touching
Dude,
your shoulder.
do you see this? I have a.
Don't turn towards us.
No.
Relax.
Literally,
Relax.
you guys are. I have a repaired shoulder.
Hold on. Just let him get the cuffs on and we can see what we need to do to make that full drive.
Alright, let's search him real quick.
1407, what's your
Yes, I have.
What feet are you? Let me take 6.
He's with 6, 1411.
Where are you?
Alright, so we're just copy, one in custody, correct?
No, that's one eye.
You're getting this up. Be having something? Come on, dude.
No, I do have something there. Should be right there.
Coin back in your pocket, okay?
Can you grab a bag? Just like a.
Of course, so I'm gonna go through this, right?
No, well, now you are.
But why? Dude, I literally just did nothing, dude. I just want to go home.
In the future, the state attorney probably
I just
may or may
wanna
not
go home,
proceed on
dude.
that, but the obstructing.
No, I did not obstruct. I just wanted to know why I was pulled over and I get a citation.
Stop. We already explained all that to you. You didn't have to.
No, please don't do this, please. I don't.
We are doing. You're doing.
I know. I will comply with what you want. Just
I appreciate it. That's all we're asking for.
Okay.
You to be cooperative with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle? And you have to be honest with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle?
my wallet.
Illegal. Illegal. Is there any drugs in the vehicle?
No, there should be nothing else besides that.
There should be, or there
No,
isn't?
there is not.
And here it is, the moment everything clicks into place. What started as suspicion is now confirmed. The presence of drugs completely changes the narrative. Suddenly, the driver's nervousness, resistance, and refusal to comply all make sense from an investigative standpoint. But it also raises a powerful question. Was his behavior the cause of the escalation, or the result of what he knew was already in the car? Either way, this is the turning point that justifies the officer's instincts.
There's nothing else that I know of inside that vehicle.
No more heroin?
There's no. That's not heroin.
Okay, is that cocaine?
Yes.
Okay. No more cocaine?
No, there's no more cocaine in there. You can go search up and down everything else. But
Okay.
no, I'm not complying to somebody's search right
You'll
now.
search
But
it.
go ahead, that's fine. Actually, no, I do comply because I don't want to go against what you guys are trying to do.
Yep, I'm unlocking right now.
No, you're trying to say you're talking about the wallet.
Yeah, I said.
All right, I think that's everything. Oh, the side. All right. No, that's good. Yeah. All right, walk around.
In the end, this case is a textbook example of how a minor traffic stop can escalate into serious criminal charges. What began as improper lane use quickly snowballed into obstruction and drug possession, all within minutes. Legally, the officers acted within their authority, especially under established case law. But it also highlights how critical it is to understand your rights and your obligations during police encounters. One decision can change everything. So what do you think? Was this escalation justified, or did it go too far? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
On this side. Get in the back of the car.
We'll both. I'll give it eyes too. So
right, cool.
anything that's there.
Yeah,
All right,
please do.
This is like
Yeah.
The man was charged with possession of a controlled substance, obstructing/resisting a peace officer, and improper lane use. Following his arrest, he was scheduled to appear for a pre-trial detention hearing at the Rolling Meadows Courthouse.